Hello. Are you ready?
Are you confused about career options? You should become doctor or computer engineer. This career counseling video can guide you to explore career options. What is career counseling? The main aim of career counseling is to help students choose a field that is in tune with their skills and their job expectations. Thus, with the help of career counseling, most candidates end up choosing the right career, and perform their level best, which ultimately helps them succeed. But the question here is, why do you need career counseling? Because it can help you in selecting the field of your interest and helps you to explore other fields of study. Every person has own way of thinking and observing things. Similarly, some people like arts, some like maths. We develop our interest in subjects which we like the most. Our career selection is influenced by following factors, which are financial resources, parents' decisions, individual strengths and weaknesses, culture and family structure. Financial resources. If an individual has adequate financial resources, he or she can get the best education and can study anywhere in the world. Our career choice is also influenced by financial resources. Example: pursuing a BCom degree is cheaper than BBA degree, which requires to pay heavy tuition fee. Parents' decision. In many parts of the world, career is selected by parents. If father is a doctor, he will push his son or daughter to become a doctor too. But this is not the best way for career selection. A balanced approach should be followed. Individual strengths and weaknesses. Some people are good in maths and some are good in arts. If a person is consistently unable to get good marks in biology, then it is likely that person cannot pursue biology and its related field. Pushing that person in biology will not be a good decision because that person cannot understand biology, and forceful decision may ruin his or her career. Culture and family structure. In some families, certain professions are not pursued due to family history and cultural factors. Example: some people will only pursue white-collar jobs and will not go after blue-collar jobs irrespective of income benefits. Key factors to consider while selecting a profession for career. Future demand of the profession. Time and other resources needed for the career. Type of jobs in that profession. The best thing to do is to search and list down professions which will likely be in demand after 5 to 10 years. This will provide you multiple options, and you can select a profession which fits your financial resources and other influencing factors. Why we are talking about in-demand professions. Consider example of typewriter. There was a time when typewriter was in high demand and was the only source to draft letter without handwriting. But today typewriter is replaced by MS Word application and printer. We can draft letter on MS Word, and then print the content using printer. With new technological advancement, typewriter is now obsolete. Typewriter manufacturing companies may not be producing these items because these items are not in demand anymore. People who learned to produce typewriter are not in demand anymore. Similarly, people should learn about manufacturing printers rather than typewriter, because printers are still used worldwide as a primary source of printing. Relate this scenario with your career. If you will choose to learn about typewriter, chances are, you will not get success in your career because their demand for manufacturing is very low worldwide. If you will choose to learn about printers, scanner and printer combo machines, your success rate will remain high because scanners and printers combo machine are in demand worldwide and research on new methods to manufacture printers are being done. Demand and supply. Example: if electronics engineering jobs are in demand, and qualified engineers are short in the labor market. In this scenario, qualified electronics engineers will get high salaries because of shortage of engineers. Companies will pay more salaries and hire them. Time and other resources. Before selecting a profession, evaluate how much time will be needed to become a professional in that field. In some fields only qualification is required, but in some fields experience and qualification both is required to start a career. With time you also need financial resources to complete the degree or certification. You have to decide how much time and financial resources you can invest in that profession. Consider fulfilling all other expenses. How you will pursue to study that degree. You will study in your city, or you will have to travel to other city, which may increase your cost. These factors should be considered. Type of jobs. Every job is not the same. There are front office jobs which require customer interaction like customer service officers, sales officers. There are back office jobs like accountants, financial analyst, HR officers, research officers. In these type of jobs, there is no customer interaction but rather than their own specialized work. Explore what options a certain degree can provide you. Example, if you are planning to do MBBS, you should know what type of jobs you can pursue after completing MBBS, and what advanced certification or degree you will need to become a specialized doctor. Other considerations about the job are traveling, working hours and late sitting. Some jobs require working in shifts. Sales target jobs require a lot of hard work. High-risk jobs like firemen, police, army. Research jobs like medical research which require a lot of research skills. Considering all the factors can give you an analysis of each profession advantages and disadvantages. While exploring career options, you always need guidance at young age. Your parents can be your mentor or any other person who can provide you guidance in career planning. Many people recommend that we should always pursue career according to our skills and abilities. But the problem in this theory is that we may pursue a career which might be a low-salary paying profession. That is why in this video we are giving more emphasis on in-demand professions. Many research journals and recruitment agencies have predicted most in-demand jobs of the future, which are software engineers and developers, electronics and mechanical engineers, doctors, nurses, medical practitioners, data analysts and data scientists, artificial intelligence and machine learning specialists, big data specialists, digital transformation specialists, process automation specialists, information security analysts, e-commerce and social media specialists, robotics engineers, digital marketing specialists, human and machine interaction designers, OD and training professionals, school and college teachers. How to focus on career. Focusing on your career is not an easy task, and requires a lot of hard work, because you have to work hard for many years to develop your career. You might face challenges in life to achieve your career goals. Lack of financial resources, family relationship issues, health issues or any other problem can create a barrier in your career progress. You can overcome any barrier by working hard and keeping your focus towards your career goals. It depends on you, how you can overcome your barriers in the best possible way. Just like a business plan, people should make a career plan and evaluate all the career options. Because it takes a lot of time and money investment to develop career. Your career path may start from class 9, When you select computer science, medical or commerce group, then same group courses should be selected in higher secondary school or college. After completing higher secondary school, you go for bachelor's program of relevant discipline. You have to make sure that your selected courses will lead you towards your career goals. Following are career paths for certain professions. These career paths are for your guidance. Every university has different admission criteria. Some university program names may differ. Always check the latest admission criteria and courses offered before taking the admission. If you cannot pursue any specialized degree, there are some occupations which do not require any degree or certification. You can pursue them and generate your income. Chef, web developers, vloggers, bloggers, freelance content writers, photographers and videographers, real estate agents, animation and visual effects experts, wedding planners, travel agents. Thank you for watching the video.